Moto Guzzi has announced the 2022 V100 Mandello as the culmination of its centennial anniversary. The model adds the first liquid-cooled engine to Guzzi's portfolio while maintaining the brand's iconic transverse V-twin design. Enthusiasts for the new facility are already viewing the Mandello del Lario factory through a different lens. Oberdan Bezzi, a well-known digital designer, is the source of this claim. He just unveiled his V10 Concept, a roadster version of Mandello's V100. Bezzi began by taking down the front fairing of the Sport Tourer. Subsequently, he installed a single circular headlight unit in lieu of the original headlight cluster. The V100's TFT dashboard has been replaced with a new circular speedometer that complements the neo-retro design of the V10 Concept. The designer paired an antique-looking gas tank with a knee cutout with a nostalgic front. The side panels of the V100 Mandello are nearly whole, but Bezzi redesigned the tail unit to resemble the iconic design of the V10. That silhouette is further strengthened by the retro rear fender. Bezzi followed suit, removing the Mandello rims and swapping them out for a wire-spoke wheelset. To increase the efficiency of the exhaust system, it even streamlines the tip. With the exception of a new cylinder cover color, the 1042cc DOHC 8-valve liquid-cooled engine is carried over to the V10 Concept. We think the 115 horsepower and 77.4 lb-ft of twin or lb-ft of twin are also retained in the Bezzi design. Moreover, the V10 has a shaft drive, a port-mounted monoshock, and a Mandello radiator. The Bezzi idea, with its livery of red, black, and silver, is reminiscent of classic racing art. The neo-retro theme is maintained with the Eagle tank insignia, red racing stripes, and the iconic Moto Guzzi logo. The cherry on top are the V10 special graphics on the side panels. Although Moto Guzzi is rapidly approaching its second centennial, Oberdan Bezzi wants to make sure that the company's heritage as a throwback roadster is not overlooked.